another episode where we will be reviewing and showing you how to install this plate from Jass Performance. So that's the plate to basically goes here for your cooling and heating controls. As you can see, there is multiple versions of it. We will put them on display and we will put the link into the description. I believe from memory it comes in black, and you can actually comes in blue, and you've got various options for the design of the actual plate. But this is the one we went for, kind of like the fact that for our Eunos Roadster we've got a little Roadster in there. I can see that from here. Yeah. Otherwise the quality seems pretty good. We had the kit from Jass Performance before. It was for the headlight conversion to like square headlight. We'll put a little thingy bob there if you're interested in that. And yeah, I mean the finish is great. I kind of like the fact that the writing is kind of changed to like face, foot, you know, rather than just having the little icons. You actually have the words, you know, yeah, so you can put it on, you know, if you want your face blown or you want your foot blown, or you know, whatever you want blown, you just select, you know. But anyway, you know, enough about looking at it. Lee is going to show you how you can mount it, and it's very easy.
Okay, then these are the tools you'll need. So basically just fillet screwdriver for your main screws, all good, and then a thinner one, much smaller screwdriver head, just to get the screws under here so you can pull your knobs off.
We will insert a clip of under the view.
Yeah. Okay, so your first step is actually to remove your center console, the tungsten. And if you want to know how to do that, you can check up our other video where we remove it. I'll put the link in here, or here, or here. But yeah, just click on the link and follow that video, and we'll show you how to remove the console first. Okay, right then, so first of all, we're going to want to take the screws out from the knobs. Unscrew your knob. Right, so you have to be very careful that these don't drop, as they are quite small. That's it, they will fall out if you're not careful. Just put that in the box. Okay, so once you've got your three knobs here removed, I'm going to remove this main one. Basically, we're just going to pull it off straight. Giggly. There we go. Just mind out that this doesn't drop off, because it does just fall out. Okay then. Next then, take your slightly bigger headed fillet screwdriver, just remove the 4 screws. Okay guys, so once you've pulled off your knobs 4 times, giggity, we'll have a count to see how many knob gags we squeeze into this one. Okay, now you've just got to pull off this plastic cover.
Just clipped on?
Just clips on, yeah. So I think we need to remove this part here, and this allows the lights, which are, I'll show you now. That's those lights just to shine through the metal.
And this guy as well.
And this guy as well, yeah, this has got to come off too. Actually, might as well get that one first. So that just pulls off as well, and it's just held on by glue, I think. Alright, so then this just pulls off. I believe just kind of slots back in there like that. So that way, again, this all lights up, and they do it with less light bulbs. Next, then remove this plate. So we just push from the back. It should just kind of push out. Okay then, right then, we can just then put this back. Right, and with that back in place, we can now screw the panel back on. So that just literally slots on over the top like that, and you put your 4 screws in. Cheers. Thank you kindly. Screwdriver. Ah, that's it. Oh, yeah, be careful not to drop your screws. Okay then, yeah, next now we just reinsert our knobs. So that just pushes on, and same for the AC button. There we go. That's all good. Right, so pop on your knob. And then you've got these are the tiny screws in the bottom. They are small. They do drop very easily and roll into difficult to reach places.
If you've got a magnetic screwdriver, use that.
I'm going the right way on it. Yeah, that's it. Right. You have to make sure it's right up in there all the way, and then start screwing. I think that's up. Yep, that's it. Right. You can play with your knob without it falling off. Okay.
Let's just be light. Let's see what that bad boys look like.
Don't know how well you can see it actually. It's not. I see the red more than the blue.
And here you go, guys.
Yeah, yeah.
That's one hell of a fancy plate for our MX5. It looks really cool.
It does, yeah. It really tidies it up and
Yeah,
just makes it look a bit more modern as well.
So much better. We definitely need to go back in and upgrade the light with LED light.
Yeah, once the red comes up, okay.
The blue,
the blue, yeah, you can't see.
you
a thing,
can
really.
barely see it. If you take a light and you put it behind the plate, you can see the blue.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's definitely not enough punch in those lights.
No.
But with a nice bright white LED, you know, couple of light LED bulb, I think it'll be bang on.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Yeah. After you still have the AC button lighting up, that is the same as stock anyway.
Yeah.
So yeah, no, that was quite nice. After the finish, you kind of like, you know, if you touch it a bit, isn't it? It kind of like leave marks a lot.
Yeah, it left a lot of finger marks, and then when we tried to just clean that up, it then actually started to smudge. It has like an oil coating or something like that. So we then smudged it, and it took quite a while to get it looking good again.
Yeah.
So it might just need just a wipe over with some isopropyl alcohol or something to get the covering off.
I mean, now you know, we still managed to like wipe it off, and you know, now it's got a nice little setup. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah. On the website, they actually show it with like a different knobs as well.
Okay.
You know, for your sliders and stuff like that. But I could not find on the Jass Performance website. I couldn't find the new updated one. If you know what I mean. Because that's another stuff, you know, you could kind of update as well, or you know, you just take them out and give them a coat of paint, I guess.
Could do, yeah. Just paint them.
Yeah, maybe in that color.
Yeah, that could work actually.
Yeah. But anyway, we will see for that in the future. I mean, otherwise, fair enough of the kit. It came with a little instruction. Instruction were clear. There is only a few steps.
They were quite easy to read. It's easier to read than the headlight ones anyway. They were quite confusing.
Yeah, no, quite an easy mode really. I'd say. You know, the trickiest part is basically those little screws under your knob.
Yeah.
You know, if you've got a magnetic screwdriver, while you use that, they've got a tendency to fall. We did that to fetch for one, and we have even lost one of the knobs. Yeah. And we had to fetch quite a while for that, which you know, if you want to see when the video fade out, just stick around and we'll have that clip at the end.
Yeah, we'll do an outtake
of us spending a lot of time trying to figure out a knob out of the MX5.
Well, the keywords are brilliant.
That's right. Anyway, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, why not? You know, the button is right there.
Subscribe.
Just bloody do it, and you know, give us a like, give us a comment, give us, you know, opinion, give us love, give us hate. You know,
just a winter of action.
You know, just give us, and yeah.
Yeah, see you in the next one then. Okay, just tighten it up a little bit. That's it. Okay then. That, oh shit.
Look, that stuff, yeah.
Yeah. I won't do that, I'll just leave it.
Nah, just put the light on.
Yeah.
And just play with this one.
Yeah, agreed.
We'll have to sort them out.
Oh, fuck.
I don't know, I've got a kit of screws as well, but I don't know if it's got like small one like that, but we could always get a set.
Bastard, fucking come here. How annoying. That's not enough. Get on my nerves now. Oh, there's one of the screws.
Oh, things are looking up.
Yeah.
You can put that one in and actually like the footage of it going in.
Just one of them. Yeah.
And then you can just like slide as much as you like that one.
Yeah. Fuck's sake.
You're falling down even further.
Well, it only goes back to the back of this plate because it sort of goes down, so you can't get any further back. But it's just right. I can see it, I just can't reach it.
Yeah.
So I mean, it won't go back any further. I just can't actually get it in the first place.
Yeah, it is in a bitchy location, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it is a bit. Ah, wait, I think. Have I? Oh, I thought I had it then. Oh, wait.
Finger it out.
Yeah. Oh, from pulling off knobs to fingering now. I can touch it. Oh, wait. You have to caress it out.
That's you satisfy your ladies, guys.
I've got 2 fingers in. Well, 3 actually. Oh, I've lost it. Oh, wait. Where is it? Oh, it's a bit closer. I'll push you back in again.
Yeah.
It's coming. Almost there. It's coming out.
Sometimes it hurts a bit.
Does a bit, yeah. Slightly closer.
Yeah, it's frustrating, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right.
Nice one.
You know, French fingers, there's just something about it, you know?
Absolutely. Can't complain.